bold and I'm ready to roll and fall. I'm a ball and I'm ready to go. All twists and turns and no truth from you. Look, this waste time will help make decisions. Ever needs a guy to solve you. I've been pretty bald since built. About you, I'll say your toy for stretching notes. Will spit terrible balls, all sides point to yes. So my opponent is a versatile psyche. Alright, why are you afraid to answer questions? I was created to solve a structure sum. I can solve it before 26, that's not that people get bored of me. All kinds of shapes and sizes in the orchestral ball. Meanwhile, I got rectangles, pyramids, and circles. Couldn't guess it for foresight, but you're a fruit. This is hazy twice. Yeah, you talk about records with a judge of dark. Wanna talk of difficulty? I'm surprised if a persistent told you process fall flat. Will you catch up? My sources say no. I would be difficult but be lost and forbidden, forgotten. You might be ink built, but you can't throw at all. The dice has been rolled and there's only one riddle. And none of you can win a process like that. First verses are a bigger stretch than I am. You can stretch me, and you can't break me. I've seen better balls come from gum.